I'ma put it down.
If you put it down right, like the way I want it, play your cards right, maybe we can fall in love. If you put it, if you put it down, if you put it, maybe we can fall in love.
I'ma put it down, you gon' fall in love. I'ma put it down, you gon' fall in love.
She want me to spank it. Bad little bitch, not basic. Give my time, you better not waste it. We get to no way in. Like, we just gon' up the rotation.
He want my number, had to hit him with the fantasizing, got him fiending for this. Thick thighs, got him busting out the jeans. Yeah, real dope vibe, turn these niggas into fiends. Yeah, I like them nasty, Bad bitch, having cake, let him eat it for lunch. Make a movie on the dick, I'ma film my stunts. And you can have that nigga back soon as I get done. Ooh, freak nasty, these bitches won't at me. Stump a bitch head, even though I keep it classy. Bitches look impressed because I'm cute, they wanna bash me. Can't argue about a nigga who like bitches with a fatty. Can I post you on my page?
What happened to you? I lost my best friend.
I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that your love is gone.
How's Asian supposed to chill out? When for one we already know she lost her soulmate. Or does she get bashed for any and everything she does? It's like anything she does, it's a problem. If she blink, it's a problem. Third, people started to show their true colors and turn against Asian when she was at her lowest. Fourth, she doesn't have any physical memories of bonds such as children or anything. So think to yourself when you think you've been a post some negative of Asian Joy want to get cussed out? Like if Vaughn was here she wouldn't be going through all this, just think about it. Long live Vaughn.
I'ma put it down.
If you put it down right, like the way I want it, play your cards right, maybe we can fall in love. If you put it, if you put it down, if you put it, maybe we can fall in love.
I'ma put it down, you gon' fall in love. I'ma put it down, you gon' fall in love.
Hit you like this here. Mine, leg up. One arm on neck, one arm on frontal. Your frontal off. Neil 3 days later, you in front of his mom's house crying. He asking you why you being weird. Why you being weird to me? You said you wanted to get married. When I say that, when you had the leg up with your hand on my neck and the hand on the frontal, and you was telling me shit. I want to marry you. I want to change your life. I want you to get a life insurance policy on me because I'm running these streets real stupid. That's what I heard you say. Nut ass nigga.